I love watching Robert Welsh because he's a professional makeup artist, and a lot of stuff that he says makes a whole lot more sense to me than some of these influencers who I feel they don't really know what they're talking about. That's another topic. I'm not a huge fan of lipsticks, but Milani lipsticks do it for me every time. They're so smooth and creamy, and the color is really nice. Love those lipsticks a lot. And who else do I watch? I just recently, like I'm talking like maybe 2 weeks ago, discovered jreneejrenee, and I love her content as well. Similar to like the style that Jessica Braun does as well, where she's vlogging, she's showing the products that she likes, she's showing a little lifestyle, a lot of drugstore and high-end mixed in there. And I thought it was funny because she was like talking about shopping her closet, and I felt like I'm the only person that says that, because I have so many products that I've been keeping. I had them in storage until I moved, and now it's like, wow, I could literally shop my closet. Like the other day I was doing my hair and I couldn't find my pink lotion. I knew I had a bottle like already open, so I'm like looking all over the place for my pink lotion, and I was like, well, I can't find it, let me go look in my closet to see what else I have. And I had a whole nother bottle of pink lotion, like brand new, in there, and I was like, oh, you know what, there's another bottle. Oh, it's sitting over there. So yeah, it's like I have enough products where I don't even have to buy anything anymore for quite a while, which is very nice. And like I said, I'm so blessed to have these opportunities come to me, but then I actually need to like get into the mode of creating the content and sharing it with you guys. And I think what holds me back a lot of times is I feel like everything has to be perfect. And I felt like I didn't have the setup and I didn't have the right cameras or anything like that. I'm using my iPad. I did invest in some new lights from Glamcore, which is really like